This afternoon I'm going to be riding on Santa Ana River again from Weir Canyon to probably Anaheim Hills or even Anaheim Angel Stadium using my Vortex e-bike here. But I'm going to do a lot of manual or non-pedal assist. A beautiful day. Let's get started. It's 91 freeway over there. So I took the Weir Canyon exit and make a right where the Honda dealer is back there, and I just followed the trail from the street down here. Make a right down here. We just getting into Orange County. You can see Angel Stadium in front there, Honda Center and things like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna go past Angel Stadium a little bit and then come back, go back to Yorba Linda. It's a good little section. It's about over, I think it's like 12-13 miles from Yorba Linda. So this area used to be full with homeless folks, but I don't see any. They probably got cleaned up a while back. I guess that's good. Maybe they got relocated to better places. Anyway, pretty quiet, pretty empty. Today's Sunday. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go back right now. I just passed the Angel Stadium, and if you keep on going, you're gonna hit 22 freeway, and then maybe another 10 miles or so, you will arrive at Newport Beach. Look like there's quite a bit of cars parking over there. Not sure they have a game or something. A lot of green vegetation here. Starlight Waterfall. The bad part is that it's next to the freeway. Otherwise, it should be really nice here.